Welcome. In this tutorial, I will show how to apply the same material to multiple objects all at once. When in this scene, there are a few example cubes, none of which have any material applied to them. Now we will apply the same material to multiple objects at the same time. To do this, simply select all the objects you want to apply the material to and press Add New button. This will apply the material to all selected objects, provided those objects do not already have one or more materials applied. By doing so, the exact same material instance will be applied. In this other example, instead, we have a material already applied to an object, and we want to copy the exact same instance in one go to other objects. To do this, let's select all the objects we want to copy the material to. Once selected, make sure to select the object you want to copy the material from last. Then by pressing the button with the C icon, we will get the same material applied to all selected objects. This way, the displacement modifier will also be copied if applied to that material. Remember to always select the object you want to copy the material from last. Thanks for watching.